Here in the Valley, Senate Bill 1070 coming to an art studio near you. Javier Soto live at Gallery 2345 with more on this event. Good morning.
Good morning, Tara, and let me preface this by saying whether you are for or against Senate Bill 1070, we can all agree that this is part of Arizona's history now, not only here in the state, but also part of national history. Now, we want to introduce this art that you are seeing here, and this is part of a new gallery that opened about a month ago, and it is called Senate Bill 1070, the artist's perspective, point of view rather, and we're going to bring in Annie Lloyd to explain some of what this art exhibit is all about, because it not only features paintings and art, but it also features a lot of photographs of what's happened over the last couple months here.
It does. The Fusion Foundation, which is a human rights organization here in town, worked with the Arizona Latino Arts and Cultural Center to open this show, an artist's point of view, SB 1070, to give the community an opportunity to look inside of their hearts, to get beyond the language, get beyond the rhetoric, and feel what is going on for themselves. And art does that better than anything else.
And one of the pieces here, Rudy, if I can direct you that way here, kind of showcases just that.
It really does. We have 3 prints right there that are made by the Arizona Printmakers Association, different artists there. One is La Ruta, speaks about the immigrant workers that we all witness. The other one is that it isn't black and white, and the other one talks about Don't Fence Me In from an old song. So you get good art representing this bill, like you said, that has had international implications.
Yeah, and it was actually featured on CNN. We will put that link up on our website, azfamily.com. But I'm going to introduce you to Francisco Garcia, and this is your art piece here. Explain what you were thinking when you painted this.
Well, when I painted this, it really brought me back to when I went to the Holocaust Museum. I got to go to Washington, D.C. through an internship through Las Artes. And when I went to the Holocaust Museum, I started to realize that a lot of the similarities that happened to the Jews are happening to the immigrants here in Arizona. And so as I studied Chicano studies, I also studied the history of different cultures like the Asians, the Irish, the natives. And a lot of the cultures in America have been oppressed in different ways. And so in the same way that America has oppressed the natives, and killed the natives, genocided the natives, in the same way I feel like they're trying to do that into our culture. And so when Americans came to America, they came for freedom and to build a better country and things like that. But, they didn't have papers. They came here illegally because they were here first. And so,
all right, let me go. We're running out of time here, but tonight is the opening reception. All the information is on our website. Starts at 6 o'clock this evening. Again, azfamily.com. You can find out more about the opening reception of Senate Bill 1070 through the eyes of an artist.
Yeah, a lot of talent out there, and you'll have plenty of time to talk to him at that event. Thanks very much, Javier.